Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I did this look. This is a very easy look. This is Kiara Advani's look from Kabir Singh. You guys requested it, so here it is. I absolutely love this kind of natural makeup look which makes you look young, which makes you look fresh and which leaves your skin glowing. This is a perfect makeup look also for going to the office or going for an interview. Also guys, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon if you haven't already. And if you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. So I'm going to prep my skin first because it's a nude makeup and it's very natural. So I'm going to make sure that my skin looks really nice. For that I'm going to use this O.Two.O Rose Gold Elixir oil. Just going to take 2 drops. Just press it on my skin. I love how it gives a really subtle glow to my skin. Next I'm going to use this Sugar Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. It really makes my skin smooth and poreless. For foundation, I'm going to use this Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick. This foundation also has a brush with it, so it's really handy. The brush is really nice, but I'll blend it with my finger today. The foundation is all blended and it actually looks like my skin but better, and that is what I love about this foundation. I'm going to use this foundation as my concealer and I'm going to blend it with my finger. To set my under eyes today, I'm going to use this Sugar Dream Cover Mattifying Compact. To set my under eyes today, I'm going to use this Sugar Dream Cover Mattifying Compact. So I'm just going to set my under eye area. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I'm going to use the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. And I'm just going to fill in my brows. Okay, so eyebrows done. Now I'm going to move on to my eyes. So I'm going to use this contour face palette for my eyes, and I'm going to use this contour shade in my crease area. And I'm also going to use it all over my eyes. I'm going to use it on my lower lash line as well. And I'm using my Oriflame blending brush. Oh, and I went to Miniso the other day. That was my first visit to Miniso. They have such amazing products at such less price. I was super happy to visit that store. I bought a couple of things as well from Miniso. Do you want to see it right now? So I want to show you all the things that I got for myself from Miniso as a pre-birthday gift to myself kind of thing when I'm done with the makeup. Next I'm going to move on to contour, and I'm going to use the same shade that I used on my eyes. And the brush I'm using is the Oriflame blush brush. I bought a couple of makeup brushes from Miniso, and from the next video I think I'm going to be using those, because a lot of you guys have been asking me about brushes. I don't really recommend the brushes that I'm currently using to you guys because I'm not 100% satisfied with these brushes. So that is the reason why I bought new brushes from Miniso, because I kind of needed them. So that's about it for the contouring. We are not going to contour more. This just gives a very natural effect. For blush, I'm going to use a liquid blush today. And I'm going to use this O.Two.O liquid blush. Dot it on my cheeks. A little bit on the nose as well. Just smile and blend it. And then whatever's left, I'm going to use it on my lips. For highlighter, I'm going to use the same palette and I'm going to use this shade. I'm going to top the liquid blush with this blush from the Sugar palette to make the cheeks look a little bit more rosy. I'm going to take the highlighter shade and just put it in the inner third area of my eyes just to open up my eyes a little bit. I'm going to take the blush shade and put it on top of my eyelids, right from the inner corner till the outer corner. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. For mascara, I use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and then I put on false lashes. You can leave the false lashes, you don't need to apply false lashes, but I wanted to try these out since these looked very natural. So I'm just wearing a pair of these lashes. I got this from Miniso, so I wanted to try it out. However, you don't need to apply false lashes. This looks beautiful without false lashes, just with mascara. So now I'm going to take this Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black. I'm just going to tightline my upper lash line in the middle of my lips. Oops, I did it again. This is not the shade I was looking for. So I'm going to wipe this out and then start again. I'm just dabbing it. Oh, this is the Sugar Click Me Up Velvet Lipstick in the shade Foxy Fawn. Dab it on my lips. On top of this, I think I'm going to add Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade Tan Femme. I'm just going to take a little bit and apply it right in the center of my lips. I think this is it. I'm done with the look. And now it's time for the Miniso haul. And let me show you what I got. Okay, so I got these false eyelashes. These look very natural, and I got 6 pairs for just 150 rupees. And I just applied it right now. It feels amazing, comfortable, and they look very natural. The next thing I got is this one. This is a foundation brush. The brushes are super inexpensive. This one was priced at 250 rupees only. I got the sculpting brush also for 250 rupees. I actually got a bunch of brushes. So the next brush I got is this blending brush. This is called the blender brush. This is also for 250 rupees. So I guess all the brushes are for 250 rupees. I mean the single ones. I got this set because of the way it looks. It looks really pretty with all these glittery stones and stuff. This set was for 350 rupees. This one is, I don't know, it doesn't have a name. It just says Crystal Makeup Brush. I got this because I needed a new brush set, because so many of you have been asking me what brushes I use, but I was not really satisfied with the brushes I use. So I thought of investing in some really good brushes, and I thought that these will be really good. I'm yet to try these. From the next video onwards, I'm going to be trying this. Next, I got this one. Oh my god, just look at this. The unicorn brush. This one is for 250 rupees. And this is... oh, the name is Romantic Ice Cream Powder Brush. This is so cute. Oh my god, I just love it. I got this mirror. It looks so pretty. This is a roller brush. I don't know what this is called, but I needed this to style my hair, like blow dry my hair and then to style it. I'm very bad at hairstyles, any kind of hairstyles. I'm very good at ponytails and keeping my hair open, but apart from that, everything I do with my hair is a disaster. So this is my first step to a good blow dry. I don't know. Yeah, so I got this. I got this Hydrolat Rose Moisturizing Makeup Mask. I'm going to try this and let you know how it is. I got this Rose Exfoliating Bath Salt. I needed a bath salt for a very long time, and I really liked it, the way it looked and everything. I like anything which has a rose essence in it, so I picked this one. The black one and a gray one. Looks super pretty. I needed makeup removing cotton pads, so I got these. And that's it. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload any new video. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.